In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert PDF into PPT in Canva. If you've ever had a PDF that you wanted to present or edit slide by slide, Canva makes the conversion quick and straightforward. And I will walk you through each part so nothing gets missed. Start by heading to the Canva homepage or open any existing design if you are already working inside Canva. Look toward the top right and click the Upload button. You can also simply drag and drop your PDF onto the page if that's easier. As soon as the upload finishes, you'll see the file appear in your uploads. Click on it to open it in the Canva editor. Canva will automatically convert each page of your PDF into a slide-like layout that you can work with. Before you export anything, take a moment to review your slides. Zoom in and scan for details. Make sure text isn't wrapping oddly, charts look crisp, and images aren't cropped in unexpected ways. Because PDFs don't always carry over fonts perfectly, you might see slight differences. If something looks off, select the text and choose a similar font, then adjust the size or spacing until it matches your original intent. You can also refine colors, replace images, and nudge elements into place. Use alignment tools to center items or distribute them evenly, so everything looks clean and professional. This review step matters because it ensures your final PowerPoint will open with minimal fixes needed later. Once you are happy with the layout, it's time to export. Click the Share button in the top right corner. From the menu, choose Download. If you don't see Download immediately, click More and look under the Save section to find it. In the File Type drop-down menu, select Microsoft PowerPoint document, labeled PPTX. If your PDF has multiple pages, you can export the whole thing or specify the exact pages you want. Make your selection. Then click Download. Canva will process the file and generate a PPTX document for you, depending on the size and number of pages. This may take a moment. When it's done, open the file in PowerPoint to confirm everything looks the way you expect. Your text, images, and layouts should now be editable, so you can continue fine-tuning directly in PowerPoint if needed. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.